In this video we are going to discuss about BCC, which is body centered cubic. If we consider this model, there are actually 9 atoms. If we consider a cube, so according to this model there will be one atom at every corner of that cube, and one atoms will be at the center of that cube. So there will be total 9 atoms. The atoms which are there on the corners, they won't touch each other, but every atom which is there at the corner will touch the center atom. So if we'll now consider the total atoms in a unit cell, so the contribution of the corner atom will be 1 by 8, because it's shared with another 7 more unit cells, and the center atoms, it's fully in this unit cell, so its contribution will 1. So the total atoms in this unit cell will be 2. So now we'll discuss about okay, this will be voids. Okay. Now we'll see that octahedral and tetrahedral voids. See, if we'll consider as a one face of a cube, there are first we'll consider octahedral voids. On every edge, at the center of every edge, there will be one octahedral voids, and there will be one more octahedral voids at the center of that face. So the total number of octahedral voids will be voids will be 12 into 1, because there is one octahedral voids on each edge, plus 1 into 6, because there is one octahedral voids on each face of the cube. So the total number of octahedral voids will be 18. Now we'll consider total number of tetrahedral voids. Now if we'll see, tetrahedral voids will be slightly towards the center atom of the cube, and it will be between the edge of the center of the edge and the center of the face. So each face of the cube will contain 4 tetrahedral voids. So total number of tetrahedral voids will be 4 into 6, so 24.